All right, what a day at Methodist Children's Hospital today. Thanks to your generosity, love in action. You love these children. Let me show you what happens with some of the toys you donated. Our good friends at Mr. Sparky loaded up the toys from out of the pod here at KENS 5. And there we go with Santa Claus. Took them to the floors of Methodist Children's Hospital. We first set up downstairs, and that's when some of these boys and girls were able to leave their rooms and come shop. But for the ones who couldn't, Santa and I brought some carts up to several different floors this afternoon, and we spent some time with some children. It was fantastic, even some teenagers that are hospitalized right now, and we brought Christmas to them thanks to you. And thanks to you for the most successful Bill's Elves holiday toy drive in KENS 5 history. We had more money raised, more toys collected than ever before. And I'll tell you, what a privilege to be alongside this kind of love and generosity for me. I'm telling you, what a blessing. God bless all of you. Thank you. We all stored some treasure in heaven with this. All right, outside tonight, winds are calm. The setup is there as mild temperatures are in place and we're cooling to the dew point. You remember yesterday, this dew point was in the 30s? Look at the difference now, closing in on 60. And that's where the temperature is. As those numbers match, remember, the atmosphere becomes saturated. And that's what's going to happen by morning, and more fog expected to develop. Look at these highs today. 75 for us, but 84 George Weston Beeville on December 12th. And overnight, we're expecting 60s, maybe upper 50s at the most. I'm going with 59. That's a long shot. I think we could be at 62, and then by the afternoon, back up to the mid-70s. Hardly a change tomorrow, including the fog like we saw this morning. Now, the visibility forecast, a little bit better than this morning, so that would be good. But either way, we're going to have fog to prepare for tomorrow morning if you're leaving anywhere early. Then, if you're going to be out late tomorrow night, expect the fog as early as 11 p.m. And this time of year, Christmas parties and things like that. In fact, including the Helotes Christmas Parade tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Right down the main drag of Helotes in front of Floor's Country Store. It's what I love about Helotes. Our Christmas parade is phenomenal. Come on out tomorrow night, 7 p.m. But anyway, the fog is going to start as early as 11 p.m. Watch it sweep out, though, because of the front that's going to come through. So it won't be there by the time we get the sun up on Sunday morning. What will be there, very high winds and possibly a little bit of light rain. Now, winds are not a concern on Saturday, but watch what happens Sunday morning. Boom, near 20-mile-per-hour gusts as early as 5 in the morning. Then the sun comes up, and by mid-morning, 29 to 30 in the city, 40 plus. So this is why we're going to also have a weather impact alert because of those high wind speeds. Those are tropical storm force winds. So over the weekend, weather impact alert for tomorrow morning in the fog. Then we get some sun in 75. But then the wind and the cool down. Look at this. I mean, we're talking about in 24 hours, about a 24-degree swing. 63, the early high. And then by the afternoon Sunday, we're going to be in the mid-50s with a strong wind. Now, we could, again, see a few little sprinkles tomorrow morning. No rain in the afternoon. Sunday, a few sprinkles with that front passing through. But look at the afternoon, 2 o'clock, and it'll be in the 50s. And remember the wind chill. All right, 14-day forecast time. We've got 59 to 75 tomorrow. Both rain chance days at 10%, maybe 20%, and it'll be light. No thunderstorms. 56 Sunday, only 59 Monday. So the cooler air sticking around for a couple days. And then on Tuesday into Wednesday, the next chance of some much-needed rain is at 30%. Unfortunately, the only chance of rain on this 14-day forecast that remains relatively mild for this time of year. I mean, mid-70s to even flirting with 80s on Sunday the 21st, the first day of winter. Monday the 22nd, 79. And there you go, partly cloudy on Christmas Day in 72. We'll be right back.